Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SHLDQ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis. Did it yesterday on Wednesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And definitely some updates here need to be made as we move forward, as today was a good solid day. And the first update is just going to do a little house cleaning, get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level still pertains. It's just not really relevant to the chart right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter, which can lead to confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's just try to keep this as clean as possible. First update comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that have been watching the videos from the past few days, I've been talking about 43 cents as that area of resistance, but now that the price is up above it, that would be one of the newest areas of support and the ideal level of support. When you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? Certainly if the price can stay up above 43 cents. With that being said, if the price falls below it, by no means am I saying the entire chart's broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, in the event the price could manage to stay up above it, that would definitely be a huge sign of power. Now, taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here I am defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above the 43 cent mark, that would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out right now, after today's price movement, they made themselves pretty apparent right up there at the 55 cent mark. So 55 will be public enemy number 1 going into Friday. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice movement today. Always good to see new resistance levels be broken and closed above, and not just a question of whether or not the bulls can continue to chip away with these higher bases, but it'll be interesting to see how this one closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.